Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these two different styles of embroidery flower wall decor card or the frames in two different techniques, and the color combination I have used in pink and purple. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 10 by 13 centimeters 300 GSM watercolor paper and created 3 small circles in the center like this. Now I am taking one thick tissue paper bunch in the bottom and using rounder needle I am just poking some holes. So in my first technique I am going to create the rose. So we need to poke 5 holes on the outer layer and 1 hole in the center, just like the star shape. So I am creating hole in all 3 circles. Now here I am just sketching the stems using my pencil and making holes on the stem as well at equal interval. Like this. So just adding holes on remaining stems. Then I am starting with woven rose stitch, and here I am taking dark peach color 4 strands of thread. This is the embroidery thread, and first we have to pass the thread through all 5 points towards the center. So just create the 5 divisions. And then we just need to weave in the divisions alternatively, taking out the needle from the center part and start weaving it beneath one string, top of next string, again beneath the one string and top of next string. And we have to continue this process in a round manner till we reach to the end of our design. So here we have reached to the end. Now just putting my needle back, and our rose is ready. Now we just need to make some knots. And cut the excess thread. So our first rose is ready. Now I'm starting with the next rose. Here I'm taking light peach color thread, again 4 strands, and making my rose. So the second rose is also ready, making knots on the back. And for the third rows I am going to do the same process with red color thread. So our 3 roses are done. Now I am doing stem stitch. So here I am taking 4 strands of green color thread, just passing through the hole and leave next hole. Put your needle back on the third hole, taking out the needle on the second hole and putting it back by leaving one hole. So we have to repeat this process till the end. So all 3 stems are attached. Now I'm just making some V patterns to create thorns of the roses. I'm not adding leaves here. And our beautiful rose flower bunch is ready. Now on back side of the cardstock, on 4 sides I have added double-sided tacky tape. So just removing the liners and sticking it on the pink color cardstock, which is 250 GSM in thickness, and pink cardstock measures 13 by 18 centimeters. So exactly in the center I am sticking my embroidery work. And our first beautiful greeting card cum decor is ready. Now I am just decorating it a little bit more by adding few border cutouts on the top and in the bottom. This is a Borde Die and I have used craft cardstock to cut the die, and in the center of the bunch I am adding red color bow, and I just put it inside one shadow box frame so that you can decorate your wall, you can decorate your room like this, looking very pretty and aesthetic. Now I am proceeding for my second design. So here already created 4 circles and I am dividing the circle in 8 equal parts, also poking the hole in the center. I am showing you how to create daisy flowers here. Then I am taking light purple color thread and doing lazy daisy stitch. So we just need to take out our needle from the center, then taking down from the same point, hold your thread like this, like a loop. Take up your needle from top point and passing through this loop like this. Then pull the needle. And to lock this loop, we just need to pass our needle from the same hook on top of the loop. So in this way we have created our one lazy daisy petal, and with the similar method I am going to make 7 more petals. First flower is ready. Now I am proceeding for my second flower. And all our 4 flowers are ready. 2 I have made using light lavender color and 2 in little darker shade. Then I am showing you how to make the center using French knot technique. So here I am taking 6 strands of yellow color thread, just passing through the center point, wrap the thread around the needle for 4 to 5 times and putting it back nearby the hole and just pull the thread. So you will have beautiful French knot pattern to create the center of the flower. With a similar method I am going to make French knots on the center of each flower. Then I am starting with back stitch technique to create the stem of the flower. So here I am taking 4 strands of green color thread and we just need to do the back stitch technique. Super duper easy. Similarly going to complete the remaining stems, and then in the center of the bunch I am adding one dark purple color bow which is made using dark purple embroidery thread. And then again I am decorating the top and the bottom using same designer die cutout. And this is ready. Then on top of 13 by 18 centimeter lavender color cardstock I am sticking my artwork. And the frame is ready. So with the same method I have framed it inside the shadow box to protect it from dust, and also you can use this to decorate your desk or your room, looking very pretty. So for both beautiful embroidery work flower cards or room decor or wall decors are ready, and in this way you can play with different colors of threads and make simple flower cards. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.